So, if you don't know what a loot crate is, it's a box of loot. You get one every month if you order a subscription. It starts at, I think, $30, and then it goes down the more months you order in succession. So I have a half a year subscription, so that makes it cheaper per box. And you can order, I think, 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. And it has a lot of cool loot inside of it. It's pretty awesome. So let's open this sucker up, see what we get this time. See what we get this. Oh, it's a t-shirt this time. The theme for this month is fantasy. It's a fantasy theme. So let's start with the shirt. It's red. Can't see. Okay, hold on. Let me change this to webcam only, so you can actually see what it is. There we go. It's a shirt. It's a dragon from some sort of game, I'm guessing. Is it? I have no idea what game that is from. Does it say? I wonder. No, it doesn't say. Does anyone know where this is from? It's pretty nice, and it's red. I like it. It's from Mortal Kombat. Awesome. Ooh. Got a bow tie. That's pretty neat. I'm not sure where that is from though. Oh, I can't see that. It's a bow tie. I would wear it, but you couldn't see it anyhow because of the beard. It's from Dungeons and Dragons, right? Right, and we got a deck of cards from The Princess Bride. See if I can open it to see the art on the actual cards. I suck at opening these things. Put it on the beard. I could do that. Yeah, this is not gonna happen. So, I'll open that later. Should I put this on the beard? Black tie. Oh, this is from the same company where I got the tie second to last month. Okay, this needs to be smaller by a lot. Sure, if it can get any smaller, yes it can. With some force it can. Put it on a beefalo. That would look even better, I think, because this is too big. I look like a freaking Christmas present. Dapper beefalo. You can have it as a headband. That looks cute, actually. I like that. Okay, next thing. I don't know what this is. It's a bag with something in it. Yeah, beefalo got it. Beefalo got it. I have no... It's something inflatable. Is it a crown? I think it's a crown. It's an It's an inflatable crown. I love it. Let's blow this up. I can't wear this with my headset though. That's not gonna happen, I'm sorry guys. Kind of. This is crazy. What's this? HBO LootCrate exclusive. Oh, it's a USB flash drive with the Stark seal. The wolf. Put the crown on the beefalo. The beefalo can't handle the crown. So it's a USB with the Stark seal. I wonder how big it is. If it's usable. I don't think it says. Nope. I wonder if there's something on it. King Calavera. Awesome. And as usual, you get Loot Crate pin, one each month. There's a treasure map on it. And something from Harry Potter. It's a 9 3/4 sign. Not sure where you're supposed to use it though. Oh, it's a address tag. You can have it on your bag or something. I need a scissor for this, so I can't remove it all the way, I don't think. No, I can't. Well, it's 9 3/4 and the address on the back side. Hello! I got a crown! I know, I missed a follow, hold on. Ina George, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream and welcome to the people. We are the people. And we got some magnets as well. There we go. Game of Thrones magnets as well. With all the different seals. That's exactly what she said, Morlord. That's exactly what she said. And I think that's it, actually. Hey, ProJog, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream and welcome to the people. We are the people. And that's the magazine. You get one every month with some information about the things you get in the crate. I did want to open this, but I can't open it. I don't know. I believe it is. Ah, there we go. Yeah. Playing cards from the Princess Bride. I love the art for the Jokers. Hold on. That's what it looked like. I think it's a rat and something else.
Får jag gå ut på balkongen?
Det får du. A kiss for the king. Nej, jag tror inte det. Så länge det inte lyser in genom fönstret där ända. Nej, men det spelar ingen roll. Det går perfekt. Eller ja, det blev lite flammigt här. Ja. Det räcker om du har så där. Du behöver inte stänga helt. Vad sa du? Ja, madrassen under soffan. Under pingisbordet. So that was it. We got a 9 3/4 address sign. We got a deck of cards. We got the pin. And we got the t-shirt. I like the t-shirt. I like the red color of the t-shirt. That's pretty awesome. And we got a USB flash drive with the Stark seal. And what else? We got the crown. Best crown ever. It's deflating as I'm wearing it. And we got the bow tie for the little beefalo. Looking all cute. So that's